Hey everybody, welcome back to Bee. My name is Kaya and today I'm going to be talking about how I use my bee candles in a daily practice. So lately I've been struggling with the balance of going to school full-time and working and home life and balancing that with friends and all the other things that we all experience. It's caused me to feel pretty stressed and overwhelmed. And I turned to Bee because I love their products. And specifically Beloved, because this is the Soul Star Chakra candle. And the Soul Star Chakra is designed to help you transcend past things, to alchemize, to change things from a negative to a positive light. So I chose this candle to help me with that stress in my life. And more specifically in a daily meditation where I utilize this as a tool to kind of help me cope and turn all that negative energy into more of a positive and uplifting light. So as you can see, I have completed my work with this specific candle, and in turn, you can see I have all the stones that were originally at the top of the candle here. And what tends to happen with bee candles is as you light it, as you can see with these ones, the wax starts to melt and the stones will start to slip and fall down to the bottom of the candle, which is actually really cool if you think about it, because you kind of have to earn them at the end of your work with the candle. So I see it as this is a symbol of all the hard work I've spent working with this candle, because I've been doing 5-minute meditations every single day. So you can imagine how long it took me to finish it. So, I mean, you could say I'm woke now. No, but basically, I'll show you these specific stones for the Beloved. Here you can see we have this one right here, which is really cool. It's light green with these dark specks, and it's called moss agate, as it kind of looks like. And then this is emerald, this is moonstone, and this is clear quartz. And it almost is in the shape of a heart, which is kind of cool. So these are in the Beloved candle specifically. It's actually very easy to take them out of the candle when you're done burning them. They're very easy to clean. They don't have much wax on them. You can just wipe them off with a paper towel. And the nice part is they still smell really good. They smell just like the candle. So you can kind of use them as a reminder of the work you did with the candle. So for me, when I did my 5-minute meditations, I would light the candle and I would set my intention for what I want to get out of my meditation. So personally, I wanted to transform the negative labeling I had around my stressors into more of an empowering feeling for myself, and using it as a tool to move past that stress. And I've had incredible results. When you do something like that every single day with that intention, you really start to see changes in your life, as I have. And all of that energy and intent that I put into those daily meditations went into the stones. And it's been proven that gemstones kind of act like sponges, as energetic sponges. And so any sort of intention or thought you put into them, they actually can hold on to. So if you think about that daily practice, you're constantly infusing that into those stones in the candle. And now they hold all of that for me. And so now that the candle is done, I get to keep these with me, and I can take them with me anywhere I go, because obviously they're small. I can put them in my pocket or in my purse. And if I ever need that reminder, to help me get through stressful times, it's also, I sometimes suffer from anxiety, and so just being able to fidget with them in my hands, something as simple as that, is actually really nice. It's a very soothing sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but so yeah, I just love that with each bee product I get to keep those gemstones for myself, whether it be for a practical purpose or for something spiritual. It's totally up to you. But for me, for my stress, it's been very helpful, and daily practices tend to be very effective for people because you're kind of rewiring your brain and your attachment to stories in your life, right? So yeah, that's just one little way that they've worked for me. But I would love to know how they work for you and what you think of the products. So you're welcome to reach out to me on the contact page on the Bee website or in the comments down below. Thank you.